A denied cash advance in the Grid app usually happens when your bank account doesn't show steady income deposits, your account history is too limited, or the app can't properly verify your banking connection. By the end of this, you'll know how to check the exact reason for denial, how Grid evaluates eligibility, and what changes can improve your approval chances next time. Start by opening the Grid app and checking your advance eligibility screen. If it shows denied, the system has already run an automated review using your linked bank data. Next, open your connected bank account inside the app and review your transaction history. Grid uses real-time deposit patterns to decide if you can safely repay in advance. If your income deposits are missing or inconsistent, approval is usually blocked automatically. Now check where your paycheck is actually being deposited. If your income goes into a different bank account than the one linked, Grid won't count it toward eligibility. Next, look at how old your bank account is. A very new account with limited activity can trigger denial because there isn't enough data to evaluate your financial behavior. If that's the case, consistent deposits over time usually fix it. Now, confirm your bank connection is working properly. If the sync is broken, Grid may not be seeing your full income or balance data. Next, check if your bank login credentials have changed recently. Password resets or security updates can silently break the connection, even when everything looks normal. Now make sure your Grid app is fully updated. Older versions can cause incorrect eligibility checks or outdated decision results. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a fresh eligibility check using updated banking data. If you recently changed jobs or pay schedules, your deposit pattern may look unstable for a short period. In that case, eligibility often returns once your income becomes consistent again. Avoid submitting repeated advance requests without changes to your bank data. Each request uses the same financial profile, so nothing improves until your banking history updates. If needed, remove and reconnect your bank account to fully refresh the sync. A clean reconnection can fix hidden verification issues that block approval. If nothing works, contact Grid support with your denial message and bank details. To sum it up, verify your income deposits, confirm your bank connection, check your account history, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building consistent banking activity before reapplying. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Grid tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.